Continue to watch this video if you want to see how I made this delicious beef. Absolutely yummy. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some brown stew beef. That's my beef there. As you can see, it is cut up in pieces. These are all my seasoning. You have paprika, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have black pepper, you have garlic powder, you have browning. These are all my herbs. You have onions, you have garlic, you have cayenne pepper, you have pimento seed, and you also have thyme. So make sure you wash your beef. Mine is already washed, so it's clean. So I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. This is just 1 spoonful of everything and half a teaspoonful of black pepper. But it's 1 spoonful of paprika, 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoonful of the garlic powder. So I'm just going to pour it on my meat. And I'm going to also pour my browning. This is 2 teaspoonful of browning. All my herbs. Just toss it around. I'm just gonna take my hand and just massage it, because I'm gonna leave it overnight in my fridge to marinate. Just make sure all your meat is all covered with the seasoning. So this is what it looks like after I finish seasoning it. So see you back. Hi guys, so my beef has been marinated and this is what it looks like. Do not cook your beef straight away. Leave it for room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can cook it. So here I have a pot on the stove. It's hot. So I'm just gonna pour some vegetable oil in there. That's around 3 spoonfuls, because you don't need a lot. So my oil is hot now. So now I'm gonna add my beef and my onions also with the beef. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 8 minutes to brown. So my beef has browned. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna add some hot water to it and just allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes. And my stove is on medium. And I'm gonna also cover my pot. So I'm just gonna pour the water in there. So as soon as my beef has finished, I'm gonna add some tomato, some bell peppers, some ginger, and some mixed vegetable, ketchup, and sugar. And this is 2 spoonful of ketchup and 1 spoonful of the sugar. But the sugar is optional, but it's gonna make it taste so delicious. So that's why I had it. So my beef has been cooking for 25 minutes. I did say 15 minutes, but it's actually 25 minutes. Because you want your beef to be nice and tender. But this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna add my sugar, ketchup, all my bell pepper, and my mixed veg. And I'm gonna also add some salt. That's half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna also taste it. That is perfect, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a next 10 to 15 minutes, and then it should be ready. So my beef is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. It's looking so yummy. As you can see, my gravy is all thick, and this is exactly how you want your gravy to be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is what my beef looks like on the plate. Guys, it looks so delicious and it smells so good. You can always have it with rice, with potato, whatever you preferred. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.